Oh, hey! How are you, scientists? I'm over here, Scientist Global, in my Whoville lab, and I need your help to make the Grinch's heart grow. Now, for this activity, you're going to need to get out. Oh, you can't see it, really. It's a green balloon with a red heart on it. That's what I need you to get out, along with your Grinch work packet. All right, let's turn to the very back, and it says Grinch Science. Now, since we need to make this Grinch heart grow on the balloon, we are going to need a couple other supplies, and they are listed on here. You need an empty water bottle. You need to have some baking soda, and you need to have a half a cup of vinegar. This is just white vinegar. Now it says when we are mixing baking soda and vinegar, it's going to make a chemical reaction. That means when two things come together, they're going to make some type of a reaction. Something's going to happen. It says a chemical reaction is when the bonds between atoms are formed and broken. What does that mean? I feel like when I have two Lego pieces and I put them together, they're formed as one piece. But then I can also break them apart. So what do I think is going to happen when I put this balloon on top of this water bottle and it's filled with baking soda? What kind of chemical reaction is going to happen? Well, all good scientists make predictions, and I need you to make a prediction right here. In one sentence or less, predict what you think is going to happen when you see this chemical reaction. Everyone's answer is a good answer because we're just trying to imagine and predict what will happen. Okay, now let's get started with our experiment. We have our water bottle, and I am going to fill that up with some vinegar. Now I'm going to put some baking soda in my balloon. I'm using a little funnel. Okay, now the next thing is I'm going to take my balloon and I'm going to put it on top of the water bottle, making sure the baking soda does not fall in. See, the baking soda is still in the balloon. Now I'm going to lift up the balloon and let that baking soda fall into the water bottle. Now, I don't want to show you all of my science surprises, so I'm going to not let you see what happens. But when you do this experiment at home, you're going to write down what you observed here. What did you see? Remember, observed is what you see with your eyes during your experiment. Always remember to make sure when you're doing science that you have a grown-up's permission and you always clean up your messes. It's probably a good idea to do this maybe on a kitchen counter, on a table surface, or even outdoors. I hope you have fun. And maybe if we're lucky, we might even have a guest scientist. Scientist, Sammy, take it away.
For this science experiment, you would need your Grinch work packet. You need to turn to the last page, Grinch Science. You will need an empty water bottle, a heart balloon that is in your packet. You need a half a cup of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And then you need to pour the baking soda. It's kind of hard. I need to put this like this, and I need to pour it in. Can you help?
Here, put it in.
Pour it in. There. And then you need to be very careful pouring it so it doesn't get everywhere. It's really easy. Put all of it in and keep on pouring it till you got all the baking soda in. So I got all my baking soda. It feels weird. Oh, it's coming out. Okay. Then we set it down. We need to grab our water bottle. We need to put this on. Oh, wait. We need to put this inside of the water bottle first. Okay, it's all gone. Now we need to make sure there's none on the top so it doesn't start. While I try to put it on, this is hard. This is the hard part. Okay, there we go. Let me just make sure it's secure. Okay, and then we have to lift this up until all of it goes inside. Go inside. It's growing! Whoa. I'm scared to let go of it. Look at it. All the way up.
There's still baking soda in there.
Wait. Ah, all of the baking soda's not in there. Go. This is fun. And then there we go. And that's how you do it.